Hey guys, this is Anthony Morganti. I am MrPhotographer.com. In this video, I'm going to show you how to make cars disappear without using Photoshop. A few weeks ago, I did a video demonstrating how to do long exposure photography using a 16-stop ND filter. In that video, I mentioned that you could use an ND filter such as that 16-stop filter to make people and cars disappear. It comes in really handy if you're taking photographs in a really touristy area where people are walking in and out of buildings and so forth. Many of you asked me to demonstrate how it's done. Well, where I live, I don't really have a touristy building, but I do have an overpass on a highway with a lot of cars going by. So I'm going to make those cars disappear. Now, I'm not going to go into a lot of great detail on to use an ND filter. I'm going to refer you to that video I did a couple weeks ago where I go into great detail, step-by-step instructions on how to do it. I'll have a link to that video up above and down in the description below the video. So, without further ado, I'm going to take a photo. I have my camera in bulb mode. I have a 16-stop ND filter on the camera. The app I use, and I'll have that listed in the description below, is telling me that I need a 5-minute, 27-second exposure. So I'm going to take the photo. Now I just have to wait 5 minutes and 27 seconds, but I'm not gonna make you wait with me. We'll cut away. I'll show you some pretty foliage and then we'll come back. Okay, we're counting down 5 minutes, 25, 26, and 27. The exposure's over and I'm gonna look at it and I don't see any cars at all in the shot. Now, in the description below the video, I'll write a little more detail about my camera settings and how I arrived at that 5-minute, 27-second exposure for this scene with that 16-step ND filter on the camera. I went kind of fast because it's really loud here, but I really want you to watch that other video I did where I go into a lot more detail on using that 16-stop filter. Again, there'll be a link over here in the corner of this video and down in the description below this video. Also, I'll have links to all the equipment I'm using, and I'll have a link, or I'll at least let you know that the name of the app I'm using to come up with that 5-minute, 27-second exposure. That's it for this video. Do me a favor, share it, like it, subscribe to my YouTube channel, click on that bell to get updates, and follow me on Instagram. I am at Anthony Morganti on Instagram. I'll talk to you guys soon.